If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To view your company's usage settings in QuickBooks Online and upgrade your plan if needed, click the Settings button in the QuickBooks Online toolbar. Then click the Account and Settings link under the Your Company heading in the menu to open the Account and Settings window. Then click the Usage Company Settings category link in the menu at the left side of the window to show the current usage limits to the right. Usage limits in QuickBooks Online are tied to your QuickBooks Online subscription level. The current usage level for the billable users, chart of accounts, and, if enabled, classes and locations appear at the right side of the screen. You can click the links in each of these sections to see the corresponding list items in your company file if desired. In these windows, you can manage the items to try to stay within your usage limits as needed. Alternatively, at the far right of the usage screen, you can view the limits for any proposed QuickBooks Online subscription upgrades that may be available to upgrade your plan and increase its usage limits if desired. To close the Account and Settings window, click the Done button in the lower right corner, or click the X button in its upper right corner. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.